Bonjour. In this lesson we are going to see the second part of the past participle agreement, but this time with the auxiliary verb être in French. The first part is not difficult to understand because the rule with the verb être for the past tense that there is an agreement between the subject of your sentence and the past participle. Subject, past participle. An example, elle est tombée. Well, elle is feminine and it is the subject. For this reason, there is an agreement and we need a final I at the end of our past participle. Ils sont restés, the same thing. Il is the subject, masculine plural, so we need an S at the end of the past participle resté. And that's simple. That's all. Let's see now when we have a reflexive verb. Here, the rule actually is different with this kind of verbs, reflexive verbs, as they behave actually like the verb avoir. So you need to remember this lesson. And we have two questions. What is the direct object and where it is to be able to write correctly our sentence. So first, when the direct object is after the verb être, well, you remember the rule, there is no agreement. So, je me suis brossé les dents, for example, I brushed my teeth. You could also say, actually, with the verb to have in French, j'ai brossé mes dents. That's why we say that they behave in the same way. Je me suis brossé, j'ai brossé mes dents. So the question what? What is the direct object here? And the question is, what did I brush? My teeth, of course. So the direct object is dents, where it is after the verb to be, after the verb être. So there is no agreement and the sentence is correct. Je me suis brossé les dents, written this way. Let's see now the second part, when the direct object is this time before our verb être. And the rule is different. Je me suis or je me les suis brossé. Les is a pronoun for teeth. What is the direct object here is les. And we could also ask the second question where it is. It is this time before. So is it correct to write it this way? Je me les suis brossé, if you remember the rule. Well, let's see it again. The rule is when the direct object is before the verb, here the verb to be, the verb être, there is an agreement, but there is an agreement between the past participle and the direct object, not with the subject. Remember that the past participle direct object. So here our direct object is les. Les is feminine in French and plural, it is for teeth. Where it is before, so there is an agreement. Je me les suis brossé, es at the end, for following the rule. Okay, I have more examples this way on my website, so please visit it. C'est fini. Au revoir et bon français.